Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is How to Use Twitter Unfollowspy 2020. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. If you've not subscribed already, hi everyone, here I am logged into my Twitter account, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use Unfollowspy. It's called Unfollowspy, and I'm going to show you the URL in a moment, and that will help you declog your Twitter account with accounts that are no longer following you back or are no longer of interest. So this is my current state of my Twitter account. Got 21.5k followers and I'm following 15.5k. Now of those people, some people will not be of interest to me. Also people who are not following me might not be of interest to me. Not following back might not be of interest to me. So I'm going to use this tool, Unfollowspy, to remove some of those people not following me back. Okay, let's change screen and go to Unfollowspy. Okay, this is Unfollowspy, and the URL will be in the description. It's unfollowspy.com, I believe. So let me just check that for you right now. Yeah, unfollowspy.com. Back to the full view. I'm going to sign in with Twitter. You've just seen me on the previous screens. I was signed into Twitter. I'm going to click on here, sign into Twitter. Right, redirecting back, just takes a few minutes. It's happening in real time. Here we go. So there's Unfollowspy gives me this nice dashboard. So there's 3 people who've unfollowed me recently, so I can unfollow those. And then this is a number I'm really going to tackle. Doesn't follow back. 1,783 people are not following me back. So I'm going to click on that, and that's just populating. These are people, and you have a limit of 100 per day that you can unfollows used. You see, I'm at 0 at the moment. You have a limit of 100 a day that you can unfollow. Okay, let's continue with the process. So we're going to unfollow here. We're going to go and unfollow from here. Unfollow here. Unfollow here, unfollow here, and you can see as I'm doing this, the numbers of the not following back is going down. Go to the next page, continue the process, unfollow here, unfollow here, unfollow here, unfollow here. I'm going to continue with this process and then recommence the video when I've gone through the 100. At the moment it's 12. So when I've gone through the 100, I'll come back and show you the next steps. Okay, a few moments later, I've now clicked through all of those that I was wanting to unfollow. So you can see that the doesn't follow back total is down to 1,683. All the unfollows have used. Are you now used, so the 100 allocation has now been used. I'm going to click on the unfollowed, so people who've unfollowed me recently, 3 people here. I'm going to unfollow, I've reached the daily limit, so unfollowed. I can't, using Unfollowspy, I can't go over the 100, even though there's 3 in a slightly different category. They're in the unfollowed category rather than the doesn't follow back category. So I can, if I want to, let's click on this. So Danielle Thompson, I can go back into native Twitter. Okay, here's Danielle Thompson. I'm going to, as identified by Unfollowspy, I'm going to unfollow him here. Yeah, unfollow. And there, in that way, I've continued the unfollowing process that I started with Unfollowspy. But compared to using Unfollowspy, finding people individually and then unfollowing them is a very time-consuming process. So it's much better to leave it until the next day, use it up another 100 of the allocation, so take the total of people sort of not following down to 1,580 or so, and then do that each day until all of those have been removed. In that way, I'll be able to clean up my Twitter account and run it more efficiently with those people who are engaging in my content. And that's the objective, of course. Just to round out the work done by Unfollowspy, here's my Twitter profile again, and you can see now I'm following only 15.4 number of people I'm following on Twitter after removing 100. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you're not subscribed already, if you've enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Thanks. This was the third in a recent series of Twitter videos. So if you haven't watched those, there'll be a card above, and there'll also be links in the description to those recent videos. You can click on those and watch the whole recent series. Thanks for watching. Click on the 1 and 2 screenshots to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye bye.